This is an example of two different volume delta charts. The one on the right where my cursor is moving is from multicharts.net. The one on the left is from a competing software. What I am looking for, as you see here on the left, is that this volume delta chart shows above each column the net delta as I'm circling it here. When the net delta is positive, it shows in green. When the net delta is negative, it shows in red. However, for the multicharts.net, I am not asking for the net delta. What I want to show is the up-down volume, as you see that I'm circling it here. This is the data window for multicharts.net, and when I hold my cursor over any of these columns, it shows the up-down volume for each respective column. As I move it to the left or the right, it reflects the final up-down volume. What I wanted to do is to dynamically update without having to hold my cursor over it. So if I move my cursor to the very last column, which is dynamically updating, and you look at the up-down volume, it shows the volume increasing or decreasing on the up-down volume. It's a little slow right now, but this is in real time. And as you will see over the next 30 seconds, when this last column here ends, it will jump to the next column. I also want this to reflect whatever time frame that I have selected. This one is on the 5-minute chart for the volume delta, but I would want it to reflect, if I use a 1-minute chart, I want it to reflect the live up-down volume, and I would like that to show 1 or 2 spaces above each of the columns. Here again, you see that it just moved over for the next 5 minutes, and if you look at the up-down volume, you will see it begin to update here as I'm pointing to it here. I hope that this explains what I'm looking for. I just want the actual up-down volume to dynamically update in the last column, and for the previous columns after they have closed to show what the final up-down volume is. Very similar to what you see over here on the competing software, only this is showing the net delta, and I'm not looking for the net delta. I just want the up-down volume. Thank you.